Amazon exhaust on there. Looks really good. Definitely looks nice. Looks better than that stock setup. Right now we do have the DB killer in there. So this is 5.6 pounds lighter than the stock assembly. So you're shedding 5.5 pounds off of the overall weight of the bike. So it's actually really good. You know, and if you do a header and that cat delete, you'll shave even more off. So that's what it looks like. It's a really clean little install. Don't look bad at all for 65 bucks. So I wanted to show you guys that, and then next thing we're going to do here is show you startup and the bike rolling on the stock exhaust assembly, and then start up the bike rolling on the DB killer, and then start up and rolling on without the DB killer. Okay, so we'll get on.
This is what the bike sounds like with stock exhaust startup.
Here's the first startup with the DB silencer on there. Not bad. Don't sound bad. That don't sound bad at all. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm going to remove the DB and let you guys hear it real quick. Okay, so now we have the DB little silencer out. This is what it looks like. So this bolt goes in through the bottom, little 5mm Allen. That's what it looks like. And you can take this bolt out as well at the end here. So you can actually focus. Yep, there's a little Allen head. And that seals this up. So what it does is it makes exhaust, so it has to go through this baffling system, that's what separates it and quiets it down. If you wanted it to be a little bit of a different sound, you can remove that little piece that's in there. That will give you an even different sound. Okay, so this is what it sounds like without the baffle. For a little Amazon exhaust, that's pretty darn good. Anyway, there's what it sounds like without the baffle. Without the baffle is how I'll be leaving it. That's what I like the best. I like to be loud, so. reason we wanted to show this one so much is because it's going to be a hot item for the Z400 since it comes in at such a cheap price. It's easy for anybody to get their hands on it, and we want to do the tuning with this exhaust and something like a K&N high flow filter. Like, that'd be a pretty common modification for this bike or the Ninja 400. So that's the type of tuning that we're going to offer, you know, for the, you know, we want to be able to tune for the more common stuff. So we're trying to add more support for, you know, different exhaust, different intake setups. And the more support we have, you know, the better off we can be and what our capabilities are of doing the tuning. So go check it out. Like I said, $65, you got an exhaust on your bike. Sounds killer. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.